Yo guys, welcome back to Pokemon India official, and here I'm again with a new video, and it's an update again. So last time I've given you the review about the 0.31.0, and the game has been updated again, and it's now 0.33.0 as you can see over here. So without wasting a time, we'll show you the update. And yes, they are working on the radar system. Yes guys, as you can see over here, it's been a new area. It's nearby has been gone away, and sightings has been come. So as you can see now, the Pokemon is not with the steps. It's been a grass behind them, and there is a nearby location 2 in this, but it's not officially released in other places. It has been just given to the San Francisco. Over there you can see the 2 bars, like a nearby and one is of sightings. And nearby is like when a Pokemon is nearby to a Pokestop, then it will give you the location of that Pokestop, so you can go over there and easily you can catch that Pokemon. So they are like giving same as the Poke Vision. As you guys know, there was a Poke Vision which give you the exact location where the Pokemon is. So they are giving the same thing, such as Poke Vision, and we'll show you the video in the end of this video, that how that nearby area works. And here comes a Growlithe. So it's still they are working. It's good news that they are working. Let me catch this Growlithe. So as I was saying you guys, it's good news that they are working very fast on this radar system problem, and they will be giving an update within this week. You guys can download this 0.3.3 from the description below. And now you can see it's like sightings is a green grass behind the Pokemon. It seems when you get the Pokemon near Pokestop, then it will be show you in the nearby section, and when it is far away from the Pokestop, you saw a Growlithe. It was that side of the road in the video, so it was far away from the Pokestop, so it was like showing you in the sightings. So this is the difference between the sightings and the nearby, and you can check out the nearby, like how the nearby works. At the end of the video we'll show that video. It is been like posted by the guy which is stay in the San Francisco or something, or like that. So that's it guys for today's video. Like I want to really show you that they are working very fast on this tracker system. That's a good news for us, and they are like giving us the update day by day, and like within a week it will be all over. That nearby thing will be coming all over the world, and they will be officially released at APK, not in India. I don't know when this thing will come officially in India, but it will come very soon. So that's it guys. I really want to show you this thing, like how it's working in the means how they are working very fast on the radar system to give you the best thing, and to give you the, like, as you guys know that they have been ban that they have been banned the poke vision and another stuffs like that. So that's why they are working very fast on this radar system. Hope you guys enjoy. I just want to tell you this update. That's it guys for the today's video. Like, subscribe, peace. Yes guys, and this is how it's been like tuted something over here. It's been reported that a new Pokemon tracking system has been came, and it's been, as I told you, it's been rolling in the San Francisco right now. And these are some pics which has been given by the players, you can see over here. And this is the another new screenshot which is given by the player. It's been Pokemon Fled, and this section will be coming soon, very soon. It will be like nearby area. And here is the video, so sit back and enjoy the video of it. So guys, as you can see over here, it's like view. If you will click on the it will be like showing nearby, and if you will click on the view, it will show you where the Pokemon is right there. So it's been a wow, that it's very easy. It's showing same as the Pokevision, so you don't have to use any third party app to play this game anymore. So that's it guys for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay peace, like and subscribe. See ya.